Hi, boys and girls. In our last video, I introduced to you data and graphing and all the different parts of a bar graph and how we can take our data to make a bar graph. In this video, we're going to actually create our very own bar graph. Are you ready? Let's get started. So if we look in our picture, we have a very famous candy that everyone knows all about. The candy is Skittles. I want to take the information that I have with my Skittles right here, and I want to be able to put it into a bar graph, as well as the number and with the tally marks. So let's get started. First, I see on my bar graph on my label, the first color Skittle that I have is purple. Let's count our purple Skittles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in my bar graph, for the color purple, I am going to color all the way up to 6 on the bar graph. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count our next one, green. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are also 6 green Skittles. So on my bar graph, I'm going to come over to green at my label, and we're going to color up to the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, next on our bar graph is the yellow Skittle. How many yellow Skittles are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We have a new number. So we're going to go and get yellow, and we're going to go up to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now your turn. Let's count how many oranges there are. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on our bar graph for orange, we're only going to color up to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our last one, I'm going to let you count by yourself. Red. How many red Skittles are there? Did everyone get 5? Awesome job. There are 5 red Skittles also. So for red, we're going to color up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we have our bar graph made on the number of Skittles that we have over here on the side. Now, let's take our bar graph and let's put it into a tally chart. So let's go back at purple. If we look at purple, we can look on our bar graph. It goes to 6. So I'm going to take the number 6, and I'm going to put it for the number. Then I'm going to show 6 tally marks. So for purple, using my bar graph, I saw it's at 6, 6, the number 6, and I have the number 6 in tally marks. Now let's look at green. Green was also 6. So for our number, we will write the number 6, and then we will show 6 tally marks. Moving along to yellow. There were 3 yellow Skittles, and then we will represent the number 3 in tally marks. Orange, there were 5, and then we will represent the number 5 with tally marks. And our last one is red. We'll go get the number 5. And last but not least, we will show the number 5 using tally marks. And we're all done. We took our number of Skittles and we put it into a graph as well as to a tally chart. Now it's going to be your turn to get on Seesaw, and you're going to create your own graph using dinosaurs. Can't wait to see your bar graphs.